Hey guys, I'm Fabian.
And I'm Hilda.
And we had a crazy week in Spain.
And this is where to live!
It's like girly on the room.
Today we are in Vigo.
I made it 6 kilometers. If running gives me these views, I will run every day. Churro fries and this wonderful meat.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
I'm Hilda.
I'm Fabian.
Diaries of the Road Trip Project, episode 8.
I think tomorrow will be even better because every day is better than the day before and every day is awesome. So we'll see.
So what's the plan again for today?
Water zuivering. Water cleaning.
You will experience firsthand how they filter out nutrients much needed for the fertilizer industry. Sustainability.
I've never seen you with so much energy.
I want to have this every morning, please. Good morning! Hey Fabian, did you know that we waste 150 liters of water every day?
Yeah, but do you know that we only use 3 or 4 liters for cooking or drinking?
No, I didn't know. But what happens with the rest?
Let's find out.
Because it smells like in there.
Not really, not really. It's much better
bit.
than the perfume you will buy. Well, it smells a bit, but after 5 minutes you
bit.
don't realize.
Okay, okay.
Are you ready?
Okay. Oh, this is the smell?
No, this is the parking lot.
Oh. It's really smelly, no!
Now, is that you? I think it's it now. I don't think it's the water.
Please, you are not a football player.
Okay.
So this is black water, the water that comes from the toilets.
This is the black water with bacteria, and this will be like the result, right? Like water that could be used once again. I'm taking black water.
I think it's enough.
Is it on your shoes?
I put fucking black water in my shoe.
I feel really sick with all the smells. I'm really a pussy in this kind of stuff. I don't want to swim here. It's a jacuzzi of bacteria.
This is water after the biological treatment. It doesn't look like wastewater. So people, stop talking about waste water and talk about new water.
Back. Yes.
Have you seen Jesus with a drone? There you go. Burela. Nice.
Wow. I'm not feeling that well today. I have a little bit of a sore throat. Actually, they're white bumps.
We need you.
No, bye.
Thank you. Bye. Enjoy dinner.
We're getting medicine here. This ATM of medicine.
You will get better with that.
First, we're going to take a dinner, okay?
Hola, soy Nieves Medina, una de las socias fundadoras de Conservas Artesanas Curricán, que es un obrador de conserva artesanal de bonito, de pescado y de marisco, y llevamos 6 años trabajando en este obrador.
So right now we're making a really special delicate from Burela.
So basically, this tradition started many years ago. They were just canning fish for their families, and then more people started to ask for it, and
Now it's a company.
there you go.
Bueno, parece que ha sido bonita toda la vida, ¿eh? ¿Has visto cómo han metido los dedos y has separado?
Nieves is amazed because it looks like you have been doing this your whole life.
I put it really close.
Yeah.
Te vas a quedar aquí.
She said you can
Would you like to stay?
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
El ojo
Yeah.
claro es especial.
If it's like strong fish, like if you grab it and it's
You
like
cannot do like this.
yeah, if it's like soft fish, like you know,
Like dancing fish.
yeah, it's,
It's
not
not
so
good.
good. Yeah.
It's still alive, right?
Yeah.
Could you describe your feeling in a few words, please?
I'm yeah, blown away. Look at this. I'm a little bit white still, but tomorrow I will be back again. Good morning. Today is Wednesday and I have good news because I feel so much better than yesterday.
We don't know where we are, but there's a surprise again.
It's a strange surprise because it's bring your swimming suit surprise. Here, give me. Oh, high five? What? I think I made new friends.
We are getting ready to leave. We have an amazing house, but we are leaving. And actually, we have a swimming pool right here, and we couldn't find time to go into it. But you know what? There is one rule: you always jump into the f***ing swimming pool. Woo!